We're walking on the beach. It's always better in the evening because there are less people. We're here in Lignano, and Enrico's here for the FIBA basketball tournament. The men's tournament is going on here. This is the beach area. We're on the Adriatic Sea, and this is a restaurant called Poseidon. I'm really tired. I slept in the car on the way here, but you can probably see how tired I am, and I wasn't feeling very well these days, but I'm feeling a bit better now. We have an apartment here, so I'm definitely going to show you around a bit, and yeah, we're going to go to the beach, and I don't know what else to say. What else did I have to say? Oh yeah, Lignano is where a lot of Austrian people and Friulani people, like Friulan people, go to the beach because it's like the closest beach to them. And so we're near Venice. We're on the Adriatic Sea. Most of the Venetians actually go to Bibione, which is near Lignano Beach. So Bibione is another beach. And anyways, we're in Lignano Sabbiadoro, which is the sandy part of Lignano instead of the Pineta, which has all the pine trees. We're kind of in the middle, actually. I ordered a salad and Enrico got squid. Okay, so this is our apartment, and actually it's around the corner, but in this building, and it's a walk to the beach, like 5 minutes, I think, or 3 minutes, and ta-da! This is it. The lights are off. It's very small, but this apartment was rented for us, not by us, so we didn't choose it or anything, but it's really good enough for a few days. Really, it's actually quite nice for a few days. I didn't finish my salad, so my salad's in there. I have some drinks, some water, and pop as well. And so we have the bathroom, we have the bedroom, and this little kitchen area with the TV. It has all the dishes and things that you would need, but of course it wasn't stocked with food beforehand. We can sit out here, we can go to the beach. There's a supermarket nearby. Let's see what's on TV. Let's see if this remote works. Okay. It's working. Enrico has the computer, so while he's working, I'm just hanging around here. That's German TV. It's all German. It's all German TV. Why? What the? Lingua Italiano. Change the language to English. I don't know. So I'm just chilling around. So I'm just relaxing around here. The TV has 6 channels and all of them are German. So, because we're near Austria, I guess. It's weird. I find it weird. Why? For the German tourists? So, I'm gonna enjoy some German TV then. So just a 2-minute walk away, I have the supermarket. I'm gonna go and get a few things, like toilet paper and just necessities. This is the first thing you see. It's all wine when you come inside. Chin chin. That means cheers. And of course you'll have cheese and a lot of different things. I love watermelon. They have this yellow kind. Yellow melon. It's not really watermelon. But in Italian they say it's like anguria gialla. The baked goods. The lady there's cutting the meat. You get all kinds of meats. There's a long line right now. It's around 6. Oh, hello. The sun's gone down a bit.
Do you want beach?
Okay, we're going to Pontile. There's a Canadian flag back there. They took it down now, but we found our umbrella where there's a Canadian flag. We're walking on the beach. It's always better in the evening because there are less people. It was hot with people before. Ready? Hello! That's my friend.
Let's go!
And the temperature's really good now in the evening. In pomeriggio, we're going to go drink over there. It's somebody's birthday over there. The sun is setting now, but not this way. It's dark. This is Lignano at night, and we're going to Poseidon again to eat. I didn't bring my camera, so I'm just using my phone camera. There's an arcade there, but it's really a kiddie kind of arcade. Yeah, a lot of Friulani buy their like summer homes, their vacation homes in Lignano. Okay, I'm eating pizza with prosciutto and mushrooms, and Rico just had a salad because he ate a little bit before. He's drinking a sorbetto. Ciao. And we're in Lignano. We're just going for a walk after dinner. So actually it was a long day for me, and it's the end of it now. So our apartment is actually in the Lignano Sabbiadoro part, technically, but it's kind of in the middle between Pineta and Sabbiadoro. So Lignano is divided into two areas, Pineta or Sabbiadoro. And Sabbiadoro has a long road and is more commercial. It has more shops and more tourists and things. And Pineta still has a lot of shops and things, but it also has these pine trees, and so a lot of pine trees actually. And so it's known as Pineta, the Pineta part of Lignano. So our apartment is kind of in the middle, but more on the Sabbiadoro side. A lot of the things that I'm showing you, like the streets and stuff, it's actually in the Pineta side, not the Sabbiadoro side. Anyway, I'm going to sleep, and so if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye!